AJ Francis, former Maryland star, hoping for great things this season with the Miami Dolphins. AJ, let's talk Terps football. How do you think they did in their first year in the Big Ten last year?
I loved it, man. We went into Penn State, beat Penn State. We went into Michigan, beat Michigan. A lot of my friends on my team and guys I went to high school with that went to those schools, still owe me a couple dollars from that, So it was a great experience. It was awesome. We got to play Ohio State. I got to see Michigan State. I was at the Ohio State and Michigan State game, which we both lost, but they were still great experiences. The tailgating was unbelievable. The people are unbelievable. So I really enjoyed it.
Lose 11 starters, new quarterback, new defensive coordinator. How do you think they'll fare, though, in 2015?
I honestly think it all depends on the health of Caleb Rowe. When I was there, Caleb came in and played very well at the end of an NC State game and played very well in a Boston College game before he tore his ACL. Last year, he tears his ACL again. But he's a gunslinger. He's a guy that can keep you in any game and can score multiple times in any game. And if he's healthy, the team will go as far as he goes.